Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the Duo Towers in Paris, France. Tower 1 is 180 meters high and has 39 stories, with 69,000 square meters of office space, an auditorium, a restaurant, and warehouses. The Vulcan S25 is installed on the cold water pipe. Tower 2 covers an area of 19,000 square meters, is 125 meters high, and has 29 stories. It contains offices, a company restaurant, shops, and a 139-room hotel. The Vulcan S50 is installed on the cold water pipe. Vulcan was installed a few months after construction of the towers. Until now, they did not have any limescale issues. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.